If your kids love to go on beach wagon rides as much as mine do, then you want to check out our new Bimini top accessory. It keeps them out of the sun while they're cruising in style. In this video, I'll go over how simple it is to set your Bimini top up. Let's go ahead and dive in. The first step in setting up your Bimini top is setting the vertical poles from your surfboard kayak rack in the right position. Now you'll need the surfboard kayak rack to use the Bimini top. If you have a chair rack, you just need to purchase one more chair rack so that you can cover all four corners on the wagon. There are three different angles that this vertical pole can sit inside this plastic corner piece. First is pointed in towards the middle, second is pointed towards the outside, and third is pointed diagonally out from the corner. This is the position that you need to be in for the Bimini top. Now there are two height settings. I'm going to go ahead and insert this quick release pin into the top hole. There are a few components that come inside your Bimini top bag. First is your fabric Bimini top, then there's four of these plastic corner pieces, and then you have two tent poles. One end of the plastic corner piece is hollowed out, and then on one side there's a hole drilled in there. The first step is to place the four corner pieces over top of the four corner supports, using the hollowed out side to slide over top of the pole. And then these holes want to be pointing, one corner wants to point to the other corner, similarly this corner is going to point to here. So that when you open up these tent poles, one will slide in here, the other will slide into this side. And it might seem a little loose at first, but don't worry, once you get the fabric topper on, everything will be nice and tight and secure. The next step is to attach the fabric part to the top. So I'm just going to spread this out, throw it over top of the poles, and then we're going to focus on one side at a time. So I'll start over on this side. Just want to stretch the corners over each one of these corner pieces. And then you're going to want to take this quick release pin here on the corner and insert that into the top hole. Do the same thing on all four sides. Now this is where you'll be pulling tight on the fabric, and you'll notice that everything starts to tighten up, and then on the fourth side, helps if you push that hole in a bit. And there you go. And the last step is to just tie off these straps on the underside. Under the Bimini top, you'll see that there's these two little straps. You would just want to get the poles inside of those straps, and then just go ahead and tie this like you're tying your shoe. And you're all done. You can use the horizontal tubes that come with your rack accessory in conjunction with the Bimini top. There are two holes here to accept both quick release pins. Well, you should be all set now to use your Bimini top to protect your precious cargo on the beach. If you have toddlers, be sure to check out the link below for our recommended toddler hammock. It is the best solution for nap time on the beach. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future.